My name's Karen Holden. I'm founder of A City Law Firm. I'm celebrating today International Women's Day, which many of you throughout the world I hope are enjoying. Today I just wanted to give you a bit of background about me as a female founder running A City Law Firm, and essentially also a female-led firm as many as my directors and heads of departments are also females. I set up the business over a decade ago, so I actually understand those of you that are actually setting up and scaling now. There's highs and there's lows. I organically grew the business whilst also helping thousands of other companies do the same, all those seeking investment. I would say about 80% of the businesses that we see are technology-based. That's not all. We have retail, leisure, e-commerce, and many have international arms or hope to go abroad. One of my main passions is also working on equality, whether it's gender, age, or sexual orientation. Part of my journey is to be a pioneer for change in law. This meant me getting Freedom in the City, also speaking at the House of Commons, and very excitingly getting an award at 10 Downing Street. So I do feel my journey has been really beneficial. Clients throughout the world and through my company all seem to experience the same sort of barriers to market, the same problems, and also the same highs, lows, and successes. So I just wanted to do a whistle-stop tour of what I believe the main top 10 issues are for businesses at the moment, and just hope to provide a little bit of wisdom. All my clients basically face cash flow issues because cash flow is king. So it's very important to have very robust contractual terms, cancellation notice, payment terms, and that should be mirrored with your invoices, your processes, and your policies. No procrastination. If someone doesn't pay, you need to enforce it and you need to follow it up. Then there's obviously, as you scale, you are going to look at attracting and retaining talent. So if you can't afford the great salaries at the moment, look at EMIs or options. These are things where you give people shares or you take back shares if they leave. So you're offering them benefits and you're also entrusting them with the ownership of your company and helping it drive forward. Employees will host a number of important parts for your business and hold your IP and confidential information. So you need really good employment contracts to protect the IP they create for you, for confidentiality, to make sure you have a transparent, clear level of expectations between you. And that's also a platform for growth and understanding the benefits they will gain. You also potentially need to consider restrictive covenants that don't go and work with competitors or set up in competition with you. If there's more than one founder, you really do need to consider a shareholders agreement. This is a really good platform to make sure that all the founders are singing from the same hymn sheet. If there's any problems in the future, you've set out a mechanism how to deal with that. You've got resolutions in place. If one of them wants to leave, that is possibly dealt with through this shareholders agreement without disturbing the business and other shares. You've also got to consider registering your intellectual property and any patents. Make sure you're not infringing others, and react if anybody does seek to infringe yours. Your IP is your goodwill, it's the asset of your business, it's what investors are going to look for. So make sure that you've assigned the ownership of the property into your business and protected it wisely, here and abroad if that's where you're moving into. Being investment ready is also very important. The more prepared you are, the conciseness of your documentation, the supporting documentations to the figures will attract and retain the investor's interest. Be prepared, do your homework. And also take time to reflect. Update your business plans and pitch decks. Don't rush down a certain path. Don't pick a partner because they're offering you money. Make sure you reflect who they are. Is this the right decision for you? Make sure that you don't do the wrong deal. There's many other things that you need to consider, such as integrating technology into your business, insurances, potentially people that you're taking on who are self-employed, making sure they satisfy IR35. Perhaps you need to look at grants, R&D, and other benefits to giving you money to grow your business. All of these things are what we do for a living. So my job is to take you from A to Z, from starting to scale up to investment to exit. Whether you're looking for £100,000 seed money, whether you're selling for 70 million, my job is to endeavour to get you from A to Z successfully. Please just contact us for a free consultation. We're here to help you at any time.